I work as a chief technologist at a pharmaceutical production plant in Nizhny Novgorod. Our company has various equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. A year ago, the management of our enterprise included in the plan for the development of production, mastering the production of new products, medicines from cold and flu and tablets. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. According to the requirements of drug certification bodies, we must produce a trial batch of the product and make laboratory tests of cold and flu tablets. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. This requires analytical equipment, which we also decided to buy for the tablets packing station. We did not have equipment at our powder packing area to produce and remove dust from the surface of tablets, which is used in the manufacture of tablets, to give a smooth surface to the drug. A colleague from another plant recommended that I purchase a compact unit for producing and removing dust from the surface of the tablets. I understood that we did not need a large machine, and that it was sufficient to purchase equipment for pilot batches. The first thing I did was to contact an equipment supplier, with whom we had been working for many years. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, and we decided to consider this manufacturer. I got the phone number of the company's sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment was out of stock and offered another option. I carefully studied the proposed unit, but it turned out that it is not suitable for laboratory research and used in the production of large loads. I rejected the suggested variant and searched for another one. I was looking for a machine that was as efficient as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. I began my search for equipment for manufacturing and removing dust from the surface of tablets with the confidence that I would find the right machine. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose according to geographic location, delivery terms, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. I then searched for equipment for manufacturing and removing dust from the surface of tablets from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I realized that I would not be able to solve the problem of finding equipment for the production and removal of dust from the surface of tablets by myself, and turned to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first, I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount of the order was much higher than what was shown on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the website of a Russian company more closely. I looked at the prices, the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also deals in deliveries of shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with equipment for the production and removal of dust from the surface of tablets within the specified period of time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager of the company and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and told me about the experience of using this equipment with the previous customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we signed a contract for the supply of equipment for the manufacture and removal of dust from the surface of tablets. The machine was delivered on schedule. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. Our pink and white tablets were fed into a chute and dedusted in tiered sieves. The unit turned out to be mobile and could be moved to another site if necessary. We were pleased with the equipment for producing and removing dust from the surface of pellets, recommended and supplied by a specialist from this company. I plan to apply to the manager of this company for advice and purchase of other equipment for the organization of production of tablets for colds and flu, and I am confident that he will pick up high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the problem and free up time that can be spent with benefit to yourself.